Okay, so here's a question I see everywhere lately. What if I just ate once a day? OMAD. One meal a day. It's all over social media. People swear by it. They say it's life-changing. But then other people say it's destroying their body. So, which is it? Well, spoiler alert. It's both. Kind of. Depends on who you are and how you do it. Welcome back to Stickman Health Universe, where we take confusing health trends and actually explain what's happening inside your body. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we're about to get into some stuff that'll make you rethink your entire eating schedule. Let's talk about what actually happens when you eat only once a day. The good, the bad, and the please don't do this if you're a teenager. Let's go. What is OMAD? OMAD is exactly what it sounds like. One meal, one day. You eat all your food in one sitting, usually within an hour, and then you don't eat again for 23 hours. Which sounds wild, right? Like, your body's just supposed to run on one tank of gas for the whole day. Well, actually, yeah. Technically, it can. Humans evolved to handle periods without food. That's not new. But here's the thing. Just because you can do something doesn't mean you should, or that it's right for you. So let's break down what's actually happening inside your body when you do this. What happens in your body, hour by hour? Let's say you eat your one meal at noon. Here's what happens next. Hours 0 to 4, you're digesting. Your body's breaking down food, absorbing nutrients. Blood sugar's up, insulin's doing its thing. Everything's normal. Hours 4 to 8, your stomach's empty now. Blood sugar starts dropping. Your body switches from fed mode to, let's use stored energy mode. It taps into glycogen, that's stored sugar in your liver and muscles. You might feel a little hungry, but you're fine. This is normal fasting territory. Hours 8 to 16, okay, now things get interesting. Your glycogen stores are running low, so your body starts breaking down fat for energy. This is where people say I feel amazing. Mental clarity, focus, and yeah, some people genuinely do feel great here. Your body's producing ketones, which your brain can use for fuel. But other people? They feel like garbage, dizzy, irritable, like their brain is running on dial-up internet. It depends on your body, your activity level, and what you ate in that one meal. Hours 16 to 23, you're deep in fasting mode now. Your body's still burning fat. Insulin's super low. Some people love this. They feel light, focused, energized. Other people feel like they're about to pass out at their desk. Again, depends on you. The good stuff, potential benefits. All right, let's talk about why people do this. What are the actual benefits? Benefit number 1, weight control. First, weight control. If you're eating one meal a day, you're probably eating fewer calories overall. Not always. Some people pack 3,000 calories into that one meal. But most people, they naturally eat less. So yeah, you might lose weight. But, and this is important, weight loss doesn't automatically mean healthy. If you're losing muscle, not getting nutrients, and feeling like death, that's not a win. Benefit number 2, improved insulin sensitivity. Second benefit, better insulin sensitivity. When you're not eating all day, your insulin stays low. This gives your cells a break from constantly processing sugar. For some people, especially people dealing with insulin resistance, this can actually help. But if you have diabetes or blood sugar issues, don't try this without talking to a doctor first. Seriously, don't. Benefit number 3, mental clarity. Third, mental clarity. Some people genuinely feel more focused when they're fasting. Your body's not spending energy on digestion, so that energy can go to your brain. Plus, stable blood sugar means no crashes. But again, this is not universal. Some people can't think straight when they're hungry. If you're one of those people, OMAD is not for you. Benefit number 4, convenience. And last, convenience. You only have to think about food once a day. No meal prep, no packing lunches, no what should I eat 5 times a day. For busy people, that's actually kind of nice. Alright, those are the benefits. Now let's talk about the problems. The bad stuff, potential downsides. Because yeah, there are problems. And depending on who you are, these problems can be serious. Downside number 1, nutrient deficiency. First, getting all your nutrients in one meal is hard. Like, really hard. You need protein, healthy fats, carbs, vitamins, minerals, fiber, all in one sitting. Most people don't plan well enough to hit all of that, so they end up deficient in something, iron, B12, magnesium, whatever. And over time, that catches up with you. You feel tired, your hair falls out, your nails get brittle. Not cute. Downside number 2, low energy and fatigue. Second, low energy. If you're active, working out, studying, running around all day. Your body needs fuel, and one meal might not cut it. You'll feel sluggish, weak, like you're running on fumes, because you literally are. Downside number 3, muscle loss. Third, muscle loss. If you're not getting enough protein in that one meal, your body will start breaking down muscle for energy, and losing muscle is bad. It slows your metabolism, makes you weaker, increases injury risk. So if you're doing OMAD, you better be eating a lot of protein in that meal. Like, a lot. Downside number 4, hormonal issues. Fourth, hormones. Extended fasting can mess with your hormones. Sleep gets worse, mood swings, metabolism slows down. For women especially, this can affect your cycle. If your period stops or gets irregular while doing OMAD, stop. That's your body telling you something's wrong. Downside number 5, not good for everyone. And last, OMAD is absolutely not for everyone. If you have diabetes or hypoglycemia, no. If you have kidney disease, ulcers, or an eating disorder, definitely no. If you're a teenager or under a lot of physical or mental stress, also no. Your body's still growing. Your brain's still developing. You need consistent nutrition, not one meal a day. End of story. When OMAD can be okay. Alright, so when can OMAD be okay? If your one meal is actually well balanced, protein, carbs, fats, fruits, veggies, the whole deal. If you're not constantly weak, dizzy, or irritable. If you're hydrated and getting enough electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium. And this is important. If you're doing it by choice, not because you can't afford food or don't have access to it. Food insecurity is not a diet. Let's be clear about that. When OMAD is a bad idea. Now, when is OMAD a terrible idea? If you feel shaky, tired, or can't focus. If you're losing weight to fast, more than 1 to 2 pounds a week. If you can't meet your daily nutrient needs in one meal. If you're doing intense workouts or long study sessions and your performance is tanking. Listen to your body. If it's screaming at you that something's wrong, it's probably right. The verdict. So here's the bottom line. OMAD isn't magic. It's not a miracle. For some people, under the right circumstances with proper planning, it can work. But for a lot of people, it's going to cause more problems than it solves. You need to ask yourself, why am I doing this? Is it because I genuinely feel better? Or because I saw someone on the internet say it's a hack? Because if your body's giving you warning signs, fatigue, brain fog, mood swings, hair loss, irregular periods, those aren't detox symptoms. That's your body saying stop. And you should listen. Better alternatives. If you want the benefits of fasting without the extreme approach, try something gentler. 16 to 8 intermittent fasting. Eat within an 8-hour window. Or just eat to balance meals a day instead of one massive one. You'll still get some of the benefits without the nutrient deficiency, muscle loss, and hormonal chaos. Sounds like a better deal to me. So that's OMAD, the good, the bad. And the please don't do this if you're 16. If you're thinking about trying it, talk to a doctor first, especially if you have any health conditions. And if you do try it and you feel awful, stop. There's no trophy for suffering through a diet that makes you miserable. If you want more health information like this, hit that subscribe button. We post new videos every week breaking down exactly what's happening inside your body. Drop a comment. Have you tried OMAD? How did it go? Be honest. And let me know what health topic you want me to cover next. I'm Z. Stay healthy, stay curious, and remember, your body knows what it needs. Listen to it. See you in the next one.